This is Mike Damney here again. Well, first of all, I'm doing this video basically because of TikTok. So, I've been on this whole online thing, content creation thing for a very long time now, counting years plus. And I've been struggling with different kind of things. So recently, I I actually deactivated my TikTok account. Like I don't have a TikTok account presently right now. So the reason is that I'm having a Nigeria TikTok account with a lot of limitation. I come on TikTok every day and I see people creating magic, like too much content from musicians, comedians, different content, but they are not actually making money from it. Why? Because they're in Nigeria. You understand? Meanwhile, people in the UK, they are making a lot of money. Like I know people in a Discord group, some on Twitter, that are making up to $1 million every month just by using TikTok. You understand? TikTok has bigger making money potential than even Instagram and Facebook. So me, I do more of YouTube. Like I have a lot of YouTube channels. You understand? Than everything. But now I feel like there's a lot of potential because I just took a course on TikTok Shop sometime in this January or February or so. Or in March, I did a job on a course on TikTok Shop. So I tried to open a TikTok Shop and I noticed that it was not on my Nigerian TikTok account. A lot of things are not there. So now, people, I noticed that on TikTok, people are saying they are selling a UK TikTok account, they are selling UK TikTok account, blah, blah, blah. Some 200,000, 50,000, 80,000. I don't get that kind of money to use by that kind of thing. I don't get. But the thing is that the money is worth it. Like if you buy it for 100,000 and you are creating, you will actually make money out of it. So I actually created this account today to make this video for you. Now, why we want to make money? Understand? We also have to look for alternative. I cannot travel to how much is ticket now to even give you visa. Say one go London, go create TikTok account. That's a lot of money. And our brothers when they London and this, if we send them, they don't go agree. They carry the jolloby, they play. So we have to look for a way to break the metrics. And finally, I'll tell you that we have broken the metrics. I have a lot of email address. I can show you, so it doesn't look like I'm just blabbing. This is what I do. I'm a YouTube and TikTok creator. I don't, what's it called? I don't show my face. I don't show my face. Look at my email address. Are you seeing? These are just in this phone. I have an iPad with more than 30 email address because I'm creating. You understand? So I create different kind of YouTube channel for different purposes. I can create a YouTube channel just to be posting football, different things. You understand? So this account now, this is a UK based TikTok account. Now let me show you so you don't doubt. When you click on these three dots here at the top, you see click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, click on account. When you click on account, click on account information. You see United Kingdom. Your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration, which is United Kingdom. Go and click on that your own. Now you see that it's showing Nigeria. Now there is one thing you have to know. When you click on account, on your Nigerian account, you will not see TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is big. Like it's one of the biggest things. If you understand TikTok Shop, you will make a lot of money from selling anything you want to sell in the world. Like you will make too much money out of it. That is TikTok Shop. I'm going to make a video about TikTok Shop, what I've learned, I understand how it works and everything. But it has a lot of potential. This one is not even, has nothing to do with creating. It's not even about you being a TikToker. This is about TikTok Shop. It's a full business on its own. Now, if you look well, phone number is empty. Now, with the strategy we use to create this account, you will not rush and put your phone number. You only put your phone number when you have grown the account to monetization time. The time you want to monetize the account, that is when you put the phone number. You put the UK phone number. And I know how to do that one too. I know how to set it. I know how to get that one done. I know how to do it. So anybody that is getting me to create a UK TikTok account or a US TikTok account or a Germany TikTok account, these are the only three I can create for you. Just know that you will get your phone number later and I can help you get that phone number as well. Shaking money. I'm not charging anybody very high for whatever I'm doing, but it's not free. That is simple truth. Now let me show you the potentials of the earning potentials of having a a non-Nigeria or non-African based TikTok account. When you come here, click on this dot again, click on TikTok Studio. Let me show you. Now you will see monetization. You are seeing monetization. Click on view all. I want to just show you the things that can be giving you money. This is a new account. I can see I've not done anything. That your TikTok account that you have now doesn't have all these things. You will not see it. So now, the first thing that you can use to make money is work with artists. Create posts with featured songs and get paid based on how your posts perform. 1. 2. Now, there are criteria, like you need to grow the account to a certain number before you have access to all these things. You don't just start, but just start posting. That is just the main thing. And you know that TikTok is the easiest place for you to get views. TikTok pays about $1 or $0.90 or so for 1,000 views. And 1,000 views is the simplest thing for you to get on TikTok. As simple as that. You'll be creating good content. Secondly, creators reward. Create videos that are 1 minute or longer to get rewarded on qualified view. Are you seeing this one? When they say qualified view, they mean that you not lose a robot view, real views. Subscription. You can set up subscriptions pack to get long-term support from your viewers, like creating communities and all those kind of things. Then creators marketplace. Collaborate with brands on paid campaigns. This official platform. So there are a lot of potentials that you can use to earn, not just this one. Once you go deeper, the more your account grows, the more. Now, this account that you are seeing like this, I just created this account, and I also have a growth strategy. I'm going to show you this account again. It's showing, see, I'm following 0 followers, 0 followers, 0. But once you are creating this account, this TikTok account, ready that every day you are going to be making at least 2-3 posts. Today I will make posts. I've not decided what I'll be using this particular account to do, but as I'm done with this video, I'll come up with a content type for it, and I'll start creating videos for it. I'll create like 20 videos, and I'll just set all the videos to post throughout now till next week. That is how this TikTok business work. TikTok and YouTube, basically, you post every day until your account get to a certain stage before you cannot take break and be posting maybe twice a week or 3 times a week, or you understand. But in the beginning, you have to post every day. So if you got a TikTok account, you have to be posting every day. You understand? You have to be commenting on people's posts to know that the account is active. It's not a robot, because the algorithm used to follow up. You understand? To follow up, make sure that the system not notice that the account is not a robot, it's a human that is using it. So imagine me logging into different TikTok accounts like every day. But the thing is that this is how you are going to make money from it. So if you want the UK TikTok account, just send me a DM. I'm not be big money that they charge. 10,000 naira. That is what I charge. 10,000 naira for the TikTok account. For the phone number too, 10,000 naira. That's everything 20k. But pay for the account. The phone number can come later when you want to monetize. But for now, 10,000 naira, I will get you a UK TikTok account. Just with your email address, I'm going to do it for you, create it for you, and then I will also show you how you are going to grow the account. What you are going to do to grow your account to 10k in less than 2 months. You understand? So if you want it, send a DM.